How to call API during a call. From the dashboard, go to Actions. Create a new action. Provide the name of your agent. There are 6 types of actions for your agent: call forwarding, webhooks, send email, send SMS, end call, and goal. The call forward is the agent will forward the call to the human, add the phone number, add a response to what a user could say, and add agent reply. For webhook, add your webhook URL, select the method, add a response to what a user could say, and add agent reply. Now save the action. You can initiate a call with a number. Now go to the webhook URL and you will see that the API is called. You can create multiple actions, sending the email and the SMS, ending the call, and creates a goal. That's it. Thanks for watching.